I am so glad I started posting on here again. I'm making a really yummy, I guess lunch or dinner or whatever you call it. I had these really thick chicken breasts and they're from Aldi and they're like 4 humongous ones. I had to cut them in half because they were huge. I'll put it in the next clip. But yeah, they were huge. So I have a little toaster oven, so I cut them in half, and they do take a little bit to cook, but they're turning out so good. Let's take a look. Look how delicious they look. That's my last batch. So I hope everybody's having a great Sunday, and see you in the next video.